Ohayou gozaimasu. It's day 72 on the Tokai Shizen Hodo, and we've just left Okitsu station and we're heading for Satta Pass and Hamaishi-dake, 800-meter climb. So let's see if we can get it before the sun goes down this time. Walking over Satta Pass now, Satta Toge, and I just got Fuji before the clouds swept in. Yeah, might be it for the day already, unless we get lucky. I guess they could blow off those clouds. Alright, very short, sharp little climb, but not too bad. Warming me up for the big climb up Hamaishi-dake coming up next. Oh, 2 hours in and the climb up Hamaishi-dake has begun. That's a steep little bugger too from Satta Toge. Pretty flat now. I'm sitting on one of these old one-track rails that run through the forest and the orchards that have been stretching up from the seaside. Oh, there's an old ruin in there. Yeah, wow. End of November, but it's still bloody, can still bloody work up a sweat. I'm dripping. I've got plenty of layers to rug up when I get out into the wind though. Oh, man. Still not back in shape. Anyway, maybe it will be pleasant for 100 meters or so. Let's go see. Ooh. These are always the dodgy bits. Let the chills run up and down my spine. All right. Whew. I can see a little bit again. Bit of a view out through the trees to the sea. Up there we go. About a K to go now. We're right underneath it. Hamaishi. And she gets a little bit nasty apparently. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Up we go. Must be near the top now. Oh, yeah. Everybody's up here. How about that? Hamaishi-dake. Got him. Not that we're peak bagging. Check out this. All right, heading down off Hamaishi-yama now, Hamaishi-dake, into the woods. 11 k's to the station, 6.5 k's or so of Tokai Shizen Hodo, and 4.5 k's or so of road. Maybe some Oji-san will take pity on me and pick me up as I'm wandering down towards the station. You never know. Sunday afternoon, might get lucky. Oh yeah, about, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours of hiking and 3 hours of daylight. Should be right, mate. All right, we're down in town now. Heading up that way tomorrow. Heading down that road there tonight. So, while we've got nothing better to do, I'm waiting for the laundry to wash, let's do a Japanese business hotel tour. The typical place I stay in when I'm hiking this Tokai Shizen Hodo. Because I'm so close to town most of the time, I don't have to camp. That's my bed. Nice one to spread out on there. There's the bathroom, the unit bath, typical bathroom in a business hotel. Toilet, basin, tub, Showers up there. You get your body soaps and everything. Hair stuff, which I don't really have much of an idea about. Yeah, hair dryer. Don't know much about that either, as you can tell. A couple of cups. Yeah, nice. Over here, you can always come in and have a cup of green tea when you arrive. Typical Japanese thing. Kettle there. Oh, desk, light. Not much of a view. Busy Shizuoka. And tonight's dinner, in front of the TV there. 7-Eleven pasta and a cup of coffee. That's not a safe because I got no bloody money. That's the fridge. And bit of yogurt in there for after the pasta. A couple of tubs of ice cream, don't tell the missus. And rice balls and another coffee for breakfast. Water there. You can drink the water out of the tap here anyway as well. So yeah, that is it. My usual accommodations on the Tokai Shizen Hodo.